Spinalogic is the complete end-to-end chiropractic practice management solution that creates more time for chiropractors and less expense for chiropractic practices. When patients arrive for their chiropractic adjustment, they simply scan their fingerprint to check in, and the arrivals PC tells them what they have scheduled for that day. Any educational material that the patient should receive as part of their care program is automatically printed for them on check-in. No CA participation is required. Spinalogic alerts the CA of the incoming patient, but only if there is a reason to stop the patient before their adjustment. If the patient does not need to stop, by the CA desk he continues to the waiting room and the CA continues working down her Spinalogic task list or experts for the current shift. Experts are our task management system, tailored to each practice member including the doctor to ensure flawless reproduction of all practice procedures. When the doctor is ready to see the next patient, he hits a button on one of the adjustment PCs and the next patient in the queue is automatically called. When the patient scans their fingerprint again at the adjustment table they were called to, their clinical profile appears on the adjustment PC's screen. After the doctor treats the patient, he enters the details of the treatment with just a few clicks via the Accelerated Clinical Entry System, or ACES. ACES replaces the time-consuming process of typing or writing clinical reports out by hand and instead allows doctors to click through pre-configured lists of words which Spinalogic builds into full medico-legal level reports. From the adjustment table, the doctor can also alert the CA if there is some reason to stop the patient before they leave, like to receive a gift certificate. The patient does not have to stop for payment though, as Spinalogic electronically bills the patient via their preferred payment method after the doctor has recorded their treatment for the day and automatically emails the patient a statement at the end of the month. After the shift, the doctor may spend time in his office updating records. For example, he can perform line drawing using Spinalogic's unique digital line drawing feature. He can import, edit, and then save the X-rays in their original DICOM format, the only format recognized by the legal profession. Point-and-click positioning of the on-screen X-rays facilitates accurate line drawing in just seconds instead of minutes or even hours. The line drawing you see the doctor performing here is happening at actual speed. Any variants from literature-established norms pre-programmed into Spinalogic are automatically shown in the color-coded table at the right. This is very compelling information to share with patients. The doctor may also use Spinalogic's powerful management and promotional tools to measure staff performance gathered from their use of the experts or on the return on investment of his latest marketing campaign. Up to 3 generations of marketing initiatives show doctors and practice managers exactly what the results of their efforts are in terms of dollar amounts and new patients added. The Spinalogic system shown in this practice, as in all practices, is maintained via unlimited phone and email support by our professional support team at no additional cost to the practice. This includes all future updates of Spinalogic. We'd like to stress here that while Spinalogic is a complete and robust system, it is an ongoing development and we are continually adding features and streamlining processes based on feedback from our customers. So when we say all future updates, we don't mean patches and bug fixes, but new features released every 4 to 6 months that we know in advance will increase the satisfaction of our customers. Now let's see how smooth and simple actual patient flow looks in a typical practice running Spinalogic. Note the patient doesn't need to ask questions or receive directions. The doctor controls patient flow and his practice works like a well-oiled machine, allowing him to deliver the highest quality care possible to his patients. Spinalogic. More time, less expense, smart chiropractors.